hello. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Love it. Hello. Or, oh, hello. Right. Today's signs
Signs.
are for
Apple.
hungry
Wait.
and thirsty. Okay, are we ready? Hungry.
Hungry.
Say
Thirsty.
hungry.
Thirsty.
Yeah, that's perfect. Well done. Thirsty.
Thirsty. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Should we do those again?
Ready.
Hungry
Hungry. Thirsty.
and thirsty.
Thirsty.
That's it. So if we're hungry,
Hungry.
we might want some nice food.
And thirsty too.
Food. So if
And
we're thirsty, we might need a nice drink.
Hungry.
So we could have some food
Hungry.
and a drink. So should we just do those signs again? So hungry
Thirsty.
and thirsty.
Hungry. Thirsty.
Fantastic. Well done. Should we say goodbye?
Yep.
Bye.
What's this?
See you
Chin.
soon.